everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour of the room we stayed in at the Sheraton Grand Tokyo Bay. This was at the Tokyo Disneyland Resort. This is a little preview of the property, which I will do a full tour of in the next video. We're going to be focusing on the room that we stayed in, and this is the floor that we stayed on, which is the eighth floor. Every floor had a different theme, so this was the one that was geared towards families, and this is the tropical treasures room. So right when you walk in, you can see that the tropical theme continues. And this room was geared for a family of six, but we're a family of five, and it was perfect for us. They had actually pretty good storage in this room, I thought. This is the closet with the standard ironing board and storage. They also provided room robes and jammies, which you don't take with you. You just wear them while you're there. But these were more like a traditional Japanese style. So my kids really loved that. And disposable slippers, which are already really nice. This is a bathroom, which I really like. It's like a combination of a Japanese bathroom and an American style bathroom. So you can see the sink and the toilet are together, but the bath and the shower are actually separate. And I'll show you that in a minute. This is the sink area. They gave just basic amenities: toothbrush, toothpaste, Q-tips, tissue, those kinds of things. And a step stool. And having a step stool is so handy when you have little ones. This is the bathroom shower area. So it's separated by this door. As you can see, it's a really good size, nice and large. They have just standard shampoo and conditioner, but this is like the shower. So it's like a stand up shower and then bath on the other side. So this was perfect for our family. I love having a separate door. That way, if someone is using the bathroom, someone can be showering and, it's not a big deal. This is the coffee area. They provided tea and hot water, coffee cups, and a little mini fridge down underneath. So that's pretty standard. I love that they have this little sitting area here and a full size mirror so you can check how you look before you go out to the parks. And they have a full flat screen TV, which was nice. We didn't get to watch much because we were in the parks most of the day. That little thing that we just passed is actually the air conditioning. We went in the wintertime, so we didn't need it. This is the room. My kids loved this bunk bed. This was actually their favorite sleeping situation out of all the hotels we stayed at. They love this little treehouse themed bunk bed. And they actually fought over who gets to sleep on top. There's a little reading light, which was nice when the kids are winding down. And these beds were super comfortable and very nicely made. And I love all these little switches. You can control different levels of lighting. So it's not just one light in the room, there's different levels when you're winding down the kids. And actually, underneath these beds, there's two more full size twin beds that slide out from underneath. And I didn't know that when I was filming this. And I wish I got that on video. But yeah, there's two more beds in there, guys. So total of six beds. And this is the view that we had. We didn't know we were getting an ocean view room, but the lanai was actually a really, really good size. I loved being out here and I took one of the little chairs and sat here and drank my coffee in the morning. It's really nice to have a big size balcony because I don't think the other rooms had. So we really enjoyed this the nights that we were there. It's nice to wind down at the end of the day and take in the view. And remember, you are just by the ocean, even though it's the craziness of Tokyo Disney all day long. So you can see there's many other properties. You can actually see the Tokyo Disney and then or Tokyo Disney Toy Story Hotel. And then right across is the parks. So you're walking distance to the train station. It's super convenient. And we absolutely loved our stay here. This was actually my favorite property as well. And once I show you guys the full tour, you guys will see why. But if you're thinking about staying at Tokyo Disney, I would say this was a mid range price point. It's not super budget, it's not super luxury, it's somewhere in the middle. But we loved it. And I would definitely recommend it to anyone who's considering visiting the Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea parks. So here's one last look at the room. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.